see her. There we go.
Okay.
One, two, three. All right.
Features, but we're ready on time. I'll look you to the second doctor.
My name is Jessie on the next side of the room. On the back wall will be our water feature. What we left side is the windows and see the products being made.
So the village harvest.
Yeah, the village harvest.
So we're still temporarily setting up. We haven't finished yet.
So we'll start after Christmas?
I know this will start here to fix.
Clothing line for kids and toys.
Absolutely, and we have got more retail to come, but this is just the start of it.
Brand Fiji.
Amazing. What we do is we package up for our spas her oil decanters, the glass decanters. We put aromatherapy oils in them, and our own soaps on Today marks a significant milestone for spa tourism industry in Fiji, and I am deeply pleased that all of you have been able to join us for the inauguration of this new centre. Your presence here today supports your commitment towards offering the best experience to our travellers and guests to Fiji. Your interest and support gives added meaning to our celebration. Essence of Fiji's strategic move to be in sync with Tourism Fiji's vision to bring guests to the happiest place in the world, thank you Sally, demonstrates our promise to deliver just that. For that I am standing here today overwhelmed and excited that I, with my amazing team, have been able to accomplish my vision for positioning Fiji internationally in spa tourism. With a complete infrastructure in spa and training, this new Rejuvenation Centre Transit Lounge adds to our company portfolio, offering a spa concept like no other anywhere in the world. We are very excited about this new facility as it will do much to enhance the overall guest experience in Fiji. Our market research has shown that there is a high demand for inbound and outbound tourists needing an appropriate stopover prior to check-ins and flight schedules. It will be very well supported by both the locals and international visitor market, and having such an iconic brand renowned in the industry, it will assist in maximising the appeal of this facility. It is an overwhelming feeling to be part of the growth and development of the spa tourism industry, not only in Fiji, but the wider Pacific. The new Rejuvenation Spa Centre will combine product development activities and support functions harnessing one's overall well-being within one purpose-built facility. It will feature state-of-the-art facilities demonstrating development of Essence of Fiji range of products, spa beauty care services with professional practitioners providing expert advice on health and beauty, and Spa Academy catering for local and international training programs. The facility will allow great customer experience that will allow guests to escape, indulge and relax with natural rejuvenation therapies through the use of our naturally based skin and body care range, and be pampered by professional staff who are trained at our academy. Our upgraded factory for production of our Essence of Fiji Spa products will enable us to increase our capacity to meet both the local and export demands. This is where we take pride in engaging with our local community, particularly Tomasua Inyasawas and Vasese Village, who are suppliers of the key ingredients of our products, providing them with ongoing revenue. With specifically designed half-day tours and rejuvenation holiday packages, tourists will visit our factory outlet and our respective village suppliers, showcasing production of our Fiji-made products and sustainability of our grassroots people. The facility will offer tourists a perfect location for pre- and post-flights, offering essential services such as showers, lockers and luggage storage. A rooftop lounge, which overlooks Sambeto Mountains, will provide the ultimate relaxation terrace for foot rituals, internet access, cocktail and tourism functions. There is also a high demand for this unique type of tour catering to visiting cruise ship markets. A kids club with a nanny will be available to ensure the whole family is rejuvenated. This is the start of our kids club and it will be complete within 2 weeks. To add to this service, a screen monitor with flight schedule viewing is also mounted conveniently in our centre cafe, providing real-time information on daily flight movements. The second floor of the centre will host our upgraded Spa Academy, expanding from 2 course programs to 10. The Academy will also offer English-speaking classes for study abroad programs catering to our neighbouring Pacific Islands and Asia. The new Spa Academy will provide the ultimate facility for beauty, spa and hair training with hands-on practical in a real workplace environment. With additional courses such as laser skin rejuvenation, cosmetic tattooing, nails, hair and yoga, we will be able to provide resorts with graduates qualified to take their spa services to a whole new level. This amazing centre would not have been possible if not for the support of some important people that need to be considered and mentioned. Firstly, MDF, Market Development Facility, who entered into a partnership with Essence of Fiji in April 2014. MDF is supporting Essence of Fiji to improve our production capacity and sourcing of quality raw materials by providing training to local suppliers and villages and assisting with expanding our market presence both domestically and internationally. Overall, this partnership has brought about innovative ideas to offer superior services to our guests. A special thanks